So today I'm continuing my journey of cooking every single recipe from Grandma's cookbook, and we're making one of her all-time favorites, liver and onions. Growing up in Jamaica, Grandmother made this for us at least once a week. Whether you loved it or not, it was always on the table. And looking back, I think that's a good reason for that. At the age of 97, she's still active, sharp, and full of energy. Liver is also called a superfood because it's packed with high-quality protein and loaded with vitamins and minerals. So today I'm going to show you exactly how Grandmother made her classic liver and onions using the recipe from her handwritten cookbook. Here's all the ingredients you'll need. Let's get started. So I have been on my weight loss journey for some time now, and if you ever tried eating healthier or just lose weight, you know the hardest part isn't the workouts, it's staying consistent in what you eat. Everyone says you should track your calories. That's why I've been using CalAI. It makes calorie tracking as easy as snapping a picture. I literally take a picture of my meal and it instantly calculates the calories and macros for me. From my experience, it's been really accurate, and if you ever want more precision, you can always use their food database with thousands of different options to log your meals. My favorite feature has to be the barcode scanner. Whenever I'm grabbing a snack, I just scan the barcode and it instantly logs it in seconds. No searching, no guessing. If you want to make tracking your nutrition a whole lot easier, hit the link in the description or in the pinned comment and download CalAI. Use our code GRANDMA for 3 free days. Give it a try and see how easier it is to stay consistent. Thank you, CalAI.